If you're over 50, 60, 70, even 80, and you're looking for remote income that you can do from home, that you can do from a cruise ship, that you can do from Thailand, that you can do from Starbucks, you are at the right place. Because I want to talk to you about how to take something you already know how to do and charge $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 a month for it. And without starting from zero. This is what I call income that's remote, it's reliable, and it's recurring. So stay tuned. I'm glad you're here. Stay to the end because I've got a special document for you too. Hey, hello from Boise, Idaho. I am Jerome. I am a small business coach. I focus on helping people over 50. In the past, I've built a number of companies, but principally in the coffee business. And I've had some great partners. I built a couple by myself with a great team, of course, which you have to do to build a big business. And what I learned in that process is that smaller is very often much, much better because it's easier and you don't have all the employee issues, the HR issues, the accounting issues, buying inventory. The list just goes on. So that's what we want to talk about today. It's a small one-person business, that's you, where you can share a skill set, a hobby, a passion, a knowledge set, a mindset that you can help others with. And remember, it's helping people get from A to B a little more quickly. And that's what people are willing to pay you for. By the way, if you like this, please subscribe, number one. Number two is down below, I have a remote income planner that you can grab for free that's going to take you through what I'm talking about today. So grab that. And then lastly, if this makes sense for you, you want a little bit of help, I have a school, SKOOL community designed for people 50 to 80. And the best part about it is it has a terrific community of like-minded people, all in the same boat. And not only can you learn a bit from me, but you can also learn from each other. It is just terrific. This is 2025 as I record this. And what's going on now is going to go on for the next 4 or 5 years. So whenever you're watching this, it's very relevant. And keep in mind that being over 60 or 70, we have a lot fewer days in front of us than we do behind us. So it's really important to get going now. And I can help you with that fear. I can help you with those little steps to get going. Because your lifetime is an asset. And most people don't think about that. And we can package that knowledge, that skill, those skills you have into a simple monthly outcome that people happily pay for. And do you know why? It's because it saves them time, it saves them stress, and it saves them mistakes. So what's the first thing we want to do? We want to focus on the results, not the resume. We want to focus on the results that we want to help somebody with, not your resume. Doesn't really matter. What matters is how you can help somebody else. Think about that. We all have challenges. We all have problems. And the sooner we can get through those and fix those, the better we feel. Little examples are, hey, do you need help with keeping your checkbook balanced? Do you need help paying the bills? There's all kinds of ways where you can log in and you can pay bills for people. Really a cool service. Do they need their garden maintained in some way? Do they need help with around the house? And so you can combine things you do remotely, online. You can also combine those with things where you go across to a neighbor and help him or her with some stuff that you actually do, for them physically. And if you get 10, 12 clients and they're paying you, $99 a month or $197 a month, well, 10 of those clients, holy cow, you've got $2,000 a month coming in. And that's what I help people do. I help them package what they know into an education like this. So down below, I have a planner. I call it the Remote Income Planner. It's free. Go down and grab that down below. Also at the same time, check out my school, SKOOL. It is an online community designed to help people like you who are looking for the right thing, something they already know and do, and I can help you do that. It's $59 a month. I mean, it is so inexpensive. And what I want you to think about is 59 bucks. I mean, that's one meal and a drink. That might be at a budget, a dinner that might be for the two of you. And for that, you've got a whole month of my time, of the community, of the program, a 12-module program that I've put together to help you do this. So check it out down below. And you may only want to work 2 or 3 hours a week. That's fine. You may be a little more ambitious, maybe 3 or 4 hours a day, maybe not. You can take what you know and we can package it so it helps other people, and it can just be 1 hour to 2 hours a day if that's what you want. Examples might be, like I said, helping people with their bookkeeping. It might be helping them write letters to friends and family. It might be helping them with a newsletter. And these are all things that you can help other people do based on your skill sets, based on your background, based on what you know. Think about hobbies. Think about the gazillion number of hobbies out there. Everything from collecting Studebakers to helping people with their quilting, showing people how to can their food, showing people how to sew, showing people how to do music, showing people how to write. I mean, there's thousands of things that you can help other people do. And they will happily pay you because you're helping them get from A to B a little more quickly. And that's where the magic is. Those are the results you're helping people with. And that's what they're going to pay you for, are those results. A big part of what I do in my school is help you package it. So, for example, we talked about helping people with their resumes. It may be a 30-minute call. It may be one write-up. It may be one check-in. People who are looking for work are constantly changing their resumes to fine-tune and fit it for a particular employer. You can help them do that. And talk about creating a regular rhythm. If you're going to come over and help them garden, if you're going to help them pay their bills online, you pick a time once a week and you show up online. You can get Zoom for free, right? For 40 minutes. It's free. So easy to use. And give them a little special. Say, hey, usually I charge $197, but I want you to test me and how I can help you. I'm going to charge you $97 or $99, whatever you want. And then from then on, once you've proven yourself, it might be a regularly $200 or maybe even $300, $250, depends on the value of the service. But these are all things that millions and millions of people can afford to pay you. I help solo realtors keep all of their online stuff updated every month. I charge $99, so you can check me out. Make sure I do a good job for you. And then from then on, I charge $150 or I charge $197, whatever you want. You can share this with coworkers, with people from church, clubs, local pros. You want to keep it human. You want to just say in 2 lines, here's how I can help you. Can I send you a little information? Keep it super, super simple. And then what you can do is you can show a little bit of after you get 1 or 2 clients, oh my gosh, it gets so much easier because then you can get a testimonial, or you can say, here's a before and after. Here's what their desk looked like before I helped them, and here's what it looks like afterwards. When you have a little bit of proof, it really calms the fears a lot. So if this all makes sense, down below I've got 2 things for you. Check out my school, join my school so you can partner with us, and I've got over 70 people there. The goal, my North Star, is to help over 1,000 people who are between 50 and 80 have a remote income that makes them happy from home or wherever they are. That's my North Star. That's what I'm passionate about. It's helping over 1,000 people. And my school community is the right place for that. So go check that out down below. There's a link for you. And then go ahead and also download that remote income planner. You'll love it. It's a great way to pull everything we've talked about in today. And I'll put a couple videos up here for you that help you see this a bit more. And I want you to take care of yourself. I want you to take care of people around you. And if we all do that, guess what? We're going to take care of the whole world. I'll see you on the inside.